Understanding the phrase, bear all, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, bear all. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started. Bear all is a phrase made up of two words, bear and all. First, let's look at the word bare. Bare is an adjective that means uncovered or exposed. It refers to something that is not covered up or hidden. The word all in this phrase means completely or entirely. So when you put these two words together, bear all means to expose or reveal everything, to show everything without hiding anything. Bear all is often used in emotional or personal contexts. It can refer to someone revealing their deepest feelings, secrets, or thoughts to others. It implies a sense of vulnerability and openness. For example, if someone says, "I decided to bear all in my autobiography," it means they chose to reveal all of their life stories, including the most personal parts, in their book. However, it's important to note that bear all can also be used in a literal sense. For instance, if someone says, "The actor had to bear all for the movie scene," it means the actor had to be completely undressed for the part. Now that we understand what bear all means and the context in which it can be used, let's look at some examples of how to use it in sentences. 1. She decided to bear all during the therapy session, sharing things she had never told anyone before. 2. He was hesitant to bear all, but he knew it was the only way to build trust in the relationship. 3. The artist's new exhibition is bold and revealing, as she chooses to bear all through her artwork. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, bear all. We hope that this video has helped clear up any confusion and that you now feel confident using this phrase in your own conversations and writing. Remember, bear all means to expose or reveal everything, and it can be used in both emotional and literal contexts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.